We have witnessed the image of an individual who arrogantly orders miracles, boasting, ever since the start of the chapter, without showing any humility or gratitude. However, if humans were to think, they would realize that it is quite normal for the messenger who comes to be just like themselves, and there is nothing strange or surprising about it. What truly matters is the content of the message he brings. If the message he brings is beyond human capability, then we, as humans who can comprehend and assess it, are the ones who can determine the abilities and limitations of our counterparts, our peers. Our understanding and evaluation play a crucial role in deciphering the significance and impact of the message. He takes, examines, looks, reads, evaluates. If it is from Allah the Exalted and Majestic, He gives it its due right, believes. If not, He rejects it as something that humans like us could do, even unintentionally considering, evaluating, and understanding that it must only and only be sent by Allah, the Lord of the worlds. We come from a past where people denied the messengers, disregarded and denied the message of the Almighty, to the present day and age, where we continue to witness the same patterns of disbelief and rejection. People have never given up on these approaches, to the extent that even if something is true, and they clearly see its truth today, if religion says otherwise, then they continue to oppose it, conditioned by a secular mindset not to liken religion to something similar. From yesterday to today, from history to today, they persist in struggling with Allah the Exalted and Majestic, arguing with the Almighty, and continuing to conflict with the Almighty by being able to say what the Almighty says is right is wrong.